Chapter 1, Section 1. What we're going to go over to start off our Chapter 1 is some terms. You'll see terms on the screen right now of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What are terms that go along with that? If we're going to take a look at addition, all right, we're going to use the term as sum. Those are interchangeable. If we sum something, we're using addition. Another one, look at a subtraction, would be difference. And I know I don't like it when I make little letters with big letters, so difference. The next one, multiplication. Multiplication is always a product. And number 4, division is a quotient. Now there's other terms that we can use also with addition. We could say more than. We could also say in difference, we could say less. For multiplication, we could say times. And for division, we can say divided by. I'll put that right here. Divided by. All right? So here are different terms we could use. Addition, we could use sum or more than. Subtraction, difference or less than. Multiplication, product or times. And division is a quotient or divided by. Let's take a look at a few examples of the vocabulary that we just learned. Now this vocabulary you're going to most often see when you start using word problems. This is where you'll use that vocabulary. So let's see what this says. 10 less than x really means x minus 10, right? We're going 10 less than x. 5 more than d, d plus 5. X multiplied by 6. Now there's two ways we can look at this. We can say x times 6, or we can do 6x. All right? Same thing, we're multiplying x by 6. The quotient of 15 and y. I want you to pay attention to the quotient. The order of these, 15 and y, is very important. We're going to do the quotient of this. This is 15 divided by y. Or if we were to write it another way, it would be 15 over y. This means the same thing, 15 divided by y. 15 divided by y. That's how we can write this. Two more examples to help you understand this vocabulary. Let's take a look at 3 plus the product of 2 and h. Well, first thing we have to know here, we have a plus, so that tells us we're going to have a plus sign in here. And we have a product. The product, remember, goes with multiplication, so we have a multiplication sign in here. Let's take a look at how this would look. Well, we have 3 plus the product of 2 times h. Or if we were to rewrite this, remember the 2 times h we can bring together. So it's 3 plus 2h. Let's take a look at the next one. 3 less than the quotient of 20 and x. Well, less than means minus, and quotient means divide. So we can write this out as 3 minus, now remember in quotient, the order of these is important. It's 20 divided by x. Or we can rewrite this as 3 minus 20 divided by x.